Hey guys, Ian here with my Freesky Ranger, and I'm going to show you how to unlock it to get that full speed that you want out of it. You're going to turn it on. I use the card. Now, this is going to be set to 20. What you want to do is press and hold the bottom left, which for me is the circle. Press and hold it, and you're going to see it go to 64. And that's how you've unlocked the bike to go faster. Now obviously to set it back, you're going to press and hold that bottom left again, and you'll see it go to 20. So those are the two modes, 20, 64. 20 is your slower, 64 is your faster. Hope this helped. If it did, be sure to like, subscribe. See you on the next one.